So you have a YouTube channel, but maybe you're having a hard time coming up with ideas for new videos. Maybe you're putting out videos daily like I am, or weekly or twice a week, and you're just stuck trying to think, I don't even know what to make videos about. In this video, we're gonna show you a few ways, actually 3 ways, that you can come up with video ideas for your YouTube channel. What's up guys, I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. Let's talk about a few of the top ways that you can come up with great ideas for videos for your YouTube channel. These are strategies that you can use not just to come up with ideas, but to come up with strategic ideas that you can use to shoot up in the YouTube rankings, to get discovered, to build your channel, all of those types of great things that I think all of us as YouTubers are striving for. So the first way to find good ideas for content for your YouTube channel are to look at top performing vids in your category. Let me show you really quickly what I'm talking about. So let's say that I have a cooking YouTube channel and I'm trying to come up with content ideas for my channel. So this is one really smart strategy that you can use, is go into the search bar on YouTube and type in a keyword that is very relevant to your YouTube channel. So maybe it is cooking equipment. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna look for the top performing videos that come up for the search of that keyword. So I've got here Gordon Ramsay, what you need to be a better chef, beginner's guide to cooking utensils, essential kitchen tools, essential kitchenware, kitchen utensils. Okay, so I'm looking for common themes here from the top search results. Some common things I'm seeing right here are the words utensils and essential and kitchen. So if I could create a video that covers kind of the same title as these top performing videos, I have a really good chance of showing up in the suggested videos. I'm gonna go straight for this Gordon Ramsay video because it's #1 and it's getting 3 million views. Now, mind you, he does have a ton of subscribers, but if you can show up in suggested videos next to Gordon Ramsay, you're gonna be able to get a lot of views. So this is what I would do for this example for coming up with a video idea. I obviously wouldn't put Gordon Ramsay's kitchen, but in the video, I would definitely mention Gordon Ramsay's kitchen kit. I would say it in the video, I would talk about it, reference it at some point in the video, and I would name my video something like, what you need to be a better chef in 2018, what you need to be a better chef today, what you need to be a better chef as a beginner, what you need to be a better chef at home. I would structure my title very similar to what Gordon Ramsay's title is, and then I would come over here to the tags area, and I would make sure I include all of the same tags that Gordon uses in your video. That way that will trigger the algorithm saying, wow, this video is just like this really good video by Gordon Ramsay. I'm going to suggest this video over here in the right-hand column, and you have a very good chance of getting a lot of views, even as a small channel. So that's tip #1. Look at top performing videos, kind of see what they're doing. And I don't like using the word copy because it sounds bad, because it's not really copying. You're just supplementing what they're doing using similar titles, similar tags, similar type of content. All right, the second tip to find content ideas for your YouTube channel is to search for relevant keywords using TubeBuddy. Now, TubeBuddy is definitely the tool that I recommend for any YouTuber if you have any channel, beginner, intermediate, advanced. And I'll put a link in this video that'll take you right to TubeBuddy where you can get it for free while you're starting out. It's great. Even the free version is great. So right here, I'm opening up TubeBuddy and I'm gonna go to this Tag Explorer. Now I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna search for a relevant keyword and see kind of what other types of keywords are associated. So I can see right here suggested, or I guess most used tags referring to the same keyword. So cooking is used in 40% of videos, how to cook, da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, that's great. But what I'm going for right here, guys, is auto-suggested. This is a really cool tool where YouTube or TubeBuddy will auto-suggest a title or a keyword that is being searched on YouTube that people are watching. So right here, cooking equipment and their uses. Now, if I click on that, I can look at the competition for this keyword and boom, there you see right there. You can see right here that the overall competition is low, or good, but low, same thing, which is a good sign for you. You want to search for keywords and long tail keywords that have that good rating, especially if you don't have a lot of followers on your YouTube channel. And so then I would make a video specifically called cooking equipment and their uses and build my video topic around that. So that's another way that you can find content ideas for your YouTube channel. That's what I do for a lot of my videos. All right, let's talk about the third way to find content ideas for your YouTube channel. For this one, we are going to actually dive into our very own analytics. So let's go right here into my Creator Studio. And this one kind of has part A and part B. So for part A is what we're gonna do is we're actually just gonna look at our comments. So I'm going to go over here to community and comments. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go through all my comments and see if people are asking questions, see what problems people have, see what comments people have about my channel, and then maybe I can make another video that ties into that first video around that channel. So here's a really big comment, something about ultimateliFestyle.com. So maybe I would explore that, see what it's about. Maybe it's something that's good because a lot of people are commenting about it. And then maybe I'd make a video about that. So that's a really easy way to find ideas for your videos, is to look in the comments. The other thing we're gonna do is we're gonna dive into the analytics, and we're going to look at search terms. We're gonna look at what keywords people search to find our videos. Okay, so we're gonna go down to the bottom and go to our traffic sources, YouTube search. And when you click on that, you're gonna have a huge list of keywords that people type in and find your videos and watch them. So we've got Google Voice, Venmo, surveys for money, how to clear iCloud storage, best survey sites for money, iCloud storage, lots of iCloud, lots of Venmo, website ideas. And so what you could do is, for example, I'll give you an example. So here's a keyword that gets me a lot of views: surveys that actually pay. Now, my survey video isn't called that, but I can make a follow-up video called surveys that actually pay, put an end screen at the end of my first survey video to get people to watch the second survey video. And it could be similar. It could be about surveys. It could be about how these surveys pay you. Do they pay you in a check? Do they write you PayPal? And I could talk about surveys that actually pay. It doesn't matter if it's the same surveys, but maybe I'm talking more specifically about how they pay. So searching your own analytics for the keywords that people are using to find your own videos is a great strategy for finding content ideas for your YouTube channel. All right, guys, if you like this video, I'm going to highly suggest that you go check out TubeBuddy. Like I said, there's a link right below this video in the description. TubeBuddy has saved me not only so much time, but it's helped me grow my YouTube channel in a very competitive niche. And it's because I do the research to find the keywords, to find the topics that people are searching for, that people are watching, so that I can grow my YouTube channel that way. So guys, go grab TubeBuddy. It's free. You don't have to pay for it. It's not even a free trial. Literally, you can just use it for free. And then once you discover all the other awesome tools it has, maybe you'll decide that you want to upgrade at some point. But start out for free, it's great. All right, guys, make sure you go check out some other videos on my channel. I've got a lot of videos to help you learn how to use technology to build your online business and improve your lifestyle, create that lifestyle of freedom. All right, I'm Andy. You're watching Learn How. See you in the next video.